Hey lovelies, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making some banana nut muffins, and personally these are one of my favorites. And if you're allergic to nuts or you just don't like nuts, feel free to omit that part. I will have the ingredients listed below in the description box, so everything you need will be there. So to start off, we're going to need 3 to 4 ripe bananas. Normally it's 3 large ripe bananas, that's recommended 1.5 cups. But this that I have here, they're not large, so I used 4 instead. Feel free to use a fork to mash your bananas as well if you don't have anything else to use. Lightly beat your eggs, and then you're going to add the eggs to the banana along with some vegetable oil and sugar. And it doesn't have to be vegetable oil, but once it's a neutral tasting oil, unless you want your banana muffin to taste like a particular flavor, you can use like coconut oil, etc. Mix everything together until it's completely combined, and then you're gonna add in your remaining ingredients. I don't want to overmix the batter, so I am using this wooden spoon instead of an electric mixer. I added the baking powder, baking soda, and a pinch of cinnamon along with salt to the final part of the flour before putting it in the batter. This is what I'm going to use to top the muffins. I have some melted butter along with sugar and some nuts. I'm using pecan and walnuts this time around, so I have them chopped to my preference. After putting the batter in the muffin pan, I'm just going to top each of the muffins with some of this mixture. Be sure to preheat your oven, and I baked these at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. But it depends on your oven's temperature. You can just watch or use a toothpick to stick in and ensure it's completely done before you take it out. After removing from the oven, you're going to have it sit in the muffin pan for 10 minutes before you attempt to take them from the pan. I brushed a little honey on top of the muffins afterwards to get that moisture and shine locked in, but again, that's totally optional, so you can skip that step if it's not for you. And here they are. These were so good. The only thing I would do differently, and I'm not sure if it's because I used the dark baker's sugar, but I would use less than a cup to make these if you're watching your sugar intake, because the bananas are ripe, so you know how ripe bananas are in terms of sweetness. Plus, you know, I didn't add a lot of honey on top, so that didn't really impact the overall taste where sugar is concerned or sweetness is concerned. But I definitely recommend you try these. Again, if you don't like nuts, feel free to skip the nuts, and let me know if you give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. Share this with someone who would appreciate it.